Hello everyone, welcome back to Conceptify Chemistry and Maths. Today we are going to learn about quadrilaterals, one of the most important topics for your exams. So let's understand it conceptually and quickly. First of all, what is quadrilateral? A figure enclosed by four sides is called a quadrilateral. Any figure enclosed by four sides. Enclosed by four sides is a quadrilateral. It has four angles and sum of these angles is equal to 360. Sum of angles is 360 degree. So let's start. First is square. Square A, B, C, D. Let's diagonal. So square. Square is a parallelogram with all four sides equal and each angle equals to 90 degree. Four sides equal and each angle 90 degree. Its perimeter its perimeter is 4 into side, that is 4 into A. Diagonal is D, which is A root 2, where A is side and D is diagonal. Diagonal is A root 2 and area is side square, which is A square, or we can say half of D square. Now properties of a square. Properties. Diagonal of a square are equal and bisect each other. Diagonal of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Right angles. Then all square are rhombus, but converse is not true. All square are rhombus, but converse is not true. Not true. Now, third is diagonal is the diameter of the circumscribing circle that circumscribes the square, and circumradius is A by root 2. Diagonal is diameter of a circle, that is circumscribing. In this square, and its circumradius will be is A by root 2. And next is area of two squares are in the ratio of A1 ratio A2. Then ratio of the perimeters will be if area of two squares are in ratio are in ratio A1 ratio A2. Then ratio of parameter will be ratio of perimeters will be under root A1 ratio under root A2. Now next quadrilateral is rectangle. Number 2 is rectangle. Rectangle. Rectangle is a parallelogram with opposite sides equal and each angle measures 90 degrees. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. This is L, this is B, this is diagonal D. So, opposite sides equal, opposite sides equal, and each angle measures 90 degrees. So, what will be its parameter? Perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus V. Diagonal D will be under root L square plus B square. And then area. Area is length into breadth, which is L into B. Now properties. Diagonals of rectangle are of equal lengths. Diagonals are of equal length and bisect each other. And bisect each other. All rectangles are parallelogram. All rectangles are parallelogram, but converse is not true. But converse is not true. Next is parallelogram. Number 3 is parallelogram. Parallelogram, a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and parallel is called parallelogram. Opposite sides equal भी होंगी और parallel भी होंगी. In which opposite sides are equal and parallel is called parallelogram. So perimeter, first is perimeter. Perimeter will be 2a plus b. Area of parallelogram. Area will be base into height. Base into height, which is b into h. Base and height. Now properties. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Each diagonal of parallelogram divides it into two triangles of equal area. Each diagonal of parallelogram divides it into two triangles of equal area. Two triangles of equal area. A parallelogram inscribed in a circle is rectangle. A parallelogram inscribed in a circle is a rectangle. Is a rectangle. A parallelogram circumscribed about a circle is rhombus. A parallelogram circumscribed about a circle is a rhombus. Is a rhombus. अगर parallelogram inscribed होगा, then it will be rectangle. If it is circumscribed, then it will be a rhombus. A parallelogram and a rectangle have equal areas if they are on the same base and between the same parallel lines. A parallelogram and rectangle have equal areas. Have equal areas if they are on the same base and between the same parallel lines. तो उनका एरिया क्या होगा? सेम होगा. Next is the sum of squares of the four sides is equal to the sum of squares of diagonal. This is very important property. The sum of square of four sides is equal to the sum of square of diagonals, which means we can say AC square plus BD square plus BD square equals to AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. The sum of four sides is equal to the sum of the square of four sides is equal to the sum of square of its diagonal. After parallelogram, we have trapezium. Number 4 is trapezium. Trapezium. What is trapezium? It is a quadrilateral with any one pair of opposite sides parallel. It is a type of quadrilateral जिसमें one pair of opposite sides will be parallel. Trapezium. B and A. One pair of opposite sides parallel. So first is perimeter. Perimeter will be sum of sides AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Second is area. Area is half the sum of parallel sides. Half the sum of the parallel sides into height. So it will be half sum of parallel sides A plus B into height h, where A and B are parallel sides, and h is the height of the perpendicular distance between A and B. Now area of trapezium when the length of parallel and non-parallel sides are given. When the length of parallel sides and non-parallel sides both are given. If the length of parallel side and non-parallel side is C and D. If height is not given, the length of all parallel sides are given, then area will be parallel and non-parallel sides are given, then area will be A plus B upon K S into S minus K S minus C S minus D, where K is A minus B. K is A minus B and S is K plus A plus B, sorry, K plus C plus D by 2. When length of non-parallel side and parallel side is given, then we can find area by this formula. Area is A plus B by K under root S into S minus K, S minus C and S minus D, where K is A minus B and S is K plus C plus D by 2. And how we can find perpendicular distance between two parallel sides? Fourth is perpendicular distance between two parallel sides. How we can find this? H, it will be H equals to 2 by K under root S into S minus K, S minus C and S minus D. By this we can find the perpendicular distance between two parallel sides. Now rhombus. Number 5th is rhombus. Rhombus. A parallelogram is a rhombus in which every pair of adjacent sides are equal. All 4 sides of a rhombus are equal. All 4 sides will be equal. A, B, C, D, diagonals, D1, D2, every pair of adjacent sides are equal. All 4 sides of the rhombus are equal. Now let D1 and D2 be the diagonals of the rhombus. D1 and D2 are, let D1 and D2 are diagonals of rhombus. So first we will find perimeter. If diagonals are given, sides are not given, then perimeter will be 2 under root D1 square plus D2 square. Area of rhombus. Area will be half D1 into D2. Half D1 into D2. And number 3rd is 4 times of side square. 4 times of side square equals to d1 square plus d2 square. I hope you understood the area of I hope you understood the quadrilaterals easily. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Conceptify Chemistry and Maths for more conceptual videos. Comment below which topic you want next, perimeter of or area of polygons. See you soon. Next, we will do PYQs of these topics.